Today is beach day. And right now there's a game of volleyball happening. In the background we've got Tim, who stood on some sharp object. He thinks it was an animal inside the water. Coconuts for sale. Lunchtime. Oh, apa?
Something like too, don't you?
This black meat.
Hello Zebedee. Hello Zebedee. How are you? Hello Melissa. There's the Mumu pit.
Did you get that? On the other side. They're getting angry. Go more on the other side. Not just you lead. Turn him face, please. You come now. Down it. No. Turn him down. Look out for the fire. No, guys.
1, 2, sana. Yes. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Okay, movie come.
No, yes. No. Yep.
Well, come back and Lomi.
All right. Leave it.
Leave. Huh?
Yep.
This guy. Leave or leave.
All right. Okay. And some over here in front. Those big rocks.
Rocky boy. Big plus stone. Okay, spreading wood come to the side. One side. And by silo, it's go. One side comes in. And throw much.
Hapa. Yes, on top.
Somebody speak to my right there.
On top. Come. On top, side.
Going fire. Blowing fire.
This is not a fighting zone.
Now they're covering it all with banana leaves so that all the heat gets trapped in. There'll be a lot of banana leaves going on top of here.
Hey, sorry.
These ladies have been busy all night. Daban mona.
Don't buy the camera.
Oi namo. Oi lau namo. So the legs have been steaming for about 2.5 hours, 2 3/4 hour. It's time to uncover and see what they look like. There's some hot rocks there on top. Watch out for those rocks, guys. Korara, does it pass the test? Look at that. Cooked to the bone. The walking of the pig legs. Look out. So here's the food production line. All the mamas putting in rice and sweet potato and tapioca and a stew and some pork and some kango. And then it all ends up in a container with a fork. Excellent. Like that. Wheelbarrow full of food, which will be wheeled to the table. And so we've got these tables in water so that no ants climb up and get into the food. And all of this food will be covered with a sheet. And when it's time for lunch, they just have to walk past and pick up one of these containers.
Hang on to as he followed Jesus Christ and would continue to serve his Savior. So Paul therefore writes, 2 Timothy chapter 3, beginning at verse 14. But as for you,
all for your good spirit of cooperation. When there were disagreements, we could always sit down together and talk sorry. Your actions this year made my task a lot easier. I would like to encourage you all to maintain a good spirit of humbleness. As staff and students, we all need to acknowledge that
easy as you would imagine, as there will be a lot of obstacles on the way and barriers preventing you from moving on. These are challenges that you will have to overcome in order to continue God's way.